Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to display this PC icon on your Windows 11 desktop. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on your Start button and then select Settings from the menu that appears. On the left-hand side of the Settings window, find and click on the Personalization tab. In the main pane on the right, you will need to select Themes. Once you are in the Themes section, look for Desktop Icon Settings and click on it. A new window will pop up titled Desktop Icon Settings. Here, you will find a checkbox next to Computer. Make sure to check this box. After checking the box, click on the Apply button, and then click on OK. You should now see this PC icon appear on your desktop. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.